my name is Carolyn, and I'm here to show you what my geometry project is. This is a model. I chose to do a picture cube. The idea is that you have a cube, and it's great for senior pictures or weddings. You get to put pictures on the sides of it, and it just kind of sits on a dresser or on an end table. You can put a cute saying, or if you're graduating, you can put class of, in this case, it would be 2020. Something like that. So the dimensions on it are, I have two sizes. You can do a small or a large. The small I did a 4 by 4 by 4, so 4, 4, and 4 because it's a cube. And then I have a 6 by 6 by 6 because it's a cube, so all the sides are the same. So I have a large size and a small size for you. To find the surface area, you are going to multiply the length and the width of one of the squares. Then once you find that, you can take that number, and because it's a cube, multiply it by 6 because there'll be 6 of those same areas. So for the small cube, which was 4 by 4, you have an area of 16 inches on each face is just 16 inches. And on the large cube, you have a face of 36 inches because it's 6 times 6 instead of 4 times 4. So next, to determine the surface area, you'll take that number and multiply it by 6 because it's the number of sides. So area times the number of sides. In this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. So it'll be 16 times 6 for the small cube, which will be 96 inches squared. And then the surface area for the large cube will be 36 times 6, which is 216 inches squared. This is really simple because it's a cube. It has all the equal sides on it, but I really liked the idea for the project. So another way you could actually do it is once you find all of the areas for the sides, because it's a cube, what you could do is just add them together. So it would just be, in the case of the small cube, it would be 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, which is a little obnoxious, I gotta say, but it's the same thing. So next you want to find the volume. So volume is going to be length times width times height, or it's going to be the sides cubed. Sides cubed. So for instance, you'll have 4 times 4 times 4, or another way to say that is that you're doing 4 cubed because you're taking that same number and multiplying it by itself 3 times. So since you can take the number of sides and just multiply it by itself 3 times, or in other words, cube it, you can do that for the small and the large cube. The small is going to be 4 cubed, which will come out to a volume of 64 inches cubed. And then the large cube is going to be, 6 inches times, or to the third power cubed, which will be 216 inches cubed. So again, it features pictures that you can customize. Typically, I've seen them for senior pictures, but I'm sure you could do them for weddings. You could bring in pictures, you could use like a certain studio's pictures, and then you just kind of customize it to fit your needs. The reason this project is important is because I need to be able to look at things in a way that will help my students understand it better, that there's more than one way to solve a certain problem. The other thing is that it has real-world applications. That's why we teach certain things, because they need them, or at least they need to know basic steps to be able to add onto it to the things that they need to know. I was actually really excited about this project because I really like geometry. I did really well in it, and I just liked that it wasn't algebra completely. So, yeah. that's my project. So I hope you had a good time doing it. Thanks, bye.